Right, nyt ei ole niin enää senkin.
Sacco nel bote, non bra. C'est le bricoleur qui travaille ici. Petit Mali. Ok, allez. C'est le patron qui vient nous prendre ici. Ci rifugiamo via.
Hey, you. Good. Right there.
No, I just went. Well, it's good because I want to pick this up. So I'll be able to put.
Appunta. Devi già lei, sì. Ortega bello, se non è.
Oui, la même, je vais la raconter très bien, celle-là. Ah, mais c'est bon. Alors je suis content. Vive le pique-nique. Vive le pique-nique.
Et les basques.
Et les basques, qu'on se le dise. Mais ils se plaignent constamment. Hier.
Wat daar nog? He's the cook. Tony. See, I haven't seen you for a long time. How you doing?
I used to call him Rubio, now it's Moreno. Now it's white.
On era stati?
Nik aldakigula jenko guzti zahaltsu eta gure bekatua bakaturik ere magaitzala betiko bizitzera han. Zure paperetan gorras kantua, aintza zeruet. Eman denek.
Aintza zeruan, aintza zeruan, aintza zeruan jaunari, eta bakea lurrean gizoneri.
Hitzetan ez dakit nola erran, nitan gaur sendidudana. Egun honek ekarri baiterat, hainiz placer zomait pena. Salvatoreko eguna baitzen, mundua salbatu zena. Jenko maitea salbazkitzuzuk, fede eta batasuna. Fede eta batasuna. Goiti beiti asko izanida, orai berrogoi urtian. Atseginak frango eta oizon maipena ahartian. Jenko maitea galditen dugu, egun gure otoitzian, lurrontan otoi ordainak ezar, gu hartzen gituzunian, gu hartzen gituzunian. Iez entzuten dana, nahi dut aitortu neri ustez. Mundu guziak galdera berak, beti bakearen galdez. Baina uste dut joan otegeran, beti makurreko bidez. Gaiztakina da nausitzen ari, bakian bizitzeko ordez. Bakian bizitzeko ordez. Lur maiteunek beti danikan, problema zenbait izan du. baina gizonak onerako ere, lan ona franko egin du. Lanian gogozari denarek, janate dana izain du. Sekulan bezein ontsagin daizke, bake osoa bagendu. Bake osoa bagendu.
Nere gorputza baita zuentzat emanen den.
Usa, amuxe, bat, bi.
Zazue, eta edan guziek ongarri kaunere odolaren galiza baita, batasun merita bekiarekoaren odola, zuentzat eta guzientzat bekatua bakatzeko isuriko dena. Egizue haunere oroit garri.
Amuxe, bat, bi.
Bravo.
Hey, San Francisco! serio?
Hey, Chuay. ¿Sí que te veis? E io, se fai per la foto là, Japol, no?
These are niiden animal niiden.
Ah, mira, ya viene bastante, viene de vez en cuando.
Io se me come che trovi copiete
Sí, eso leí. No mucho, pero algo ya.
Colore spogo da...
Ahora en la máquina
Apaga
bien.
ya.
Saldo Gautri.
Apri la línea.
Akea ainua herri maitea, zuen beste matez da bertzerririk. Akea ainua herri maitea, zure hitzaurian nahi dugu bizi. Ongi da,
C'est toi, contrôleur.
Tu veux faire de la monnaie avec moi ou quoi? Tu te rentres dans la photo aujourd'hui, hein?
C'est très bon.
You got away.
La beauté!
Get over here. Benny here.
Right here.
That's such a good.
I'll go one second. You know what? When you get up to play, all this right now, all this.
Hey, ven aquí, son más
Oh, Aliu, Vito Gol.
Los baños.
Nixon in Dubai.
Ayer mismo no
Hep, what's up? What's up, homie? Give me some more, very good, see that? Hello, Francisco, how are you? Good. Ah, you were punished yesterday. I told her it's okay because everywhere I saw you having a good time.
She works on the belt.
Dis bonjour, dis bonjour, dis bonjour. Fais bye bye. Fais bye bye. Fais bye bye. Bye.
Bon.
Viva isso, Rodrigo.
Merci.
Mi dispiace una cosa. Thank you.
It's about right. You pay all the money and then they don't work.
Estoy seglan arkivistimatu ko Redikin Nadilana be at Akilero Yutan.
Ah, Olivera.
Ja, Gora's Khali.
Monsieur Ruti?
Tonto, egun tonto, beti tonto, gituzu. Arno ona, den lekuti, nekez parti, gituzu. Sarnio joanen gituzu.
How much you like the taste of it?
Salud, Chin. Salud.
Viva Jean-Paul, hori va. Jende ona garki bakarrik, va. Paul, look at the camera.
Hi, Christine.
Pejan, itzuli. This is a
My
job.
daddy taught me well, huh?
There we go.
You don't understand. That's how many years ago that?
He was
Malois. From Malois. Our
Hello.
girlfriend is Kurt. She's here somewhere anyway. I told you she's gonna be.
Chef.
So anyways, I must take it on. You're gonna have to watch Daniel because
Hey, c'est bon, chef.
I never forget Jean-Paul. You were the only one who called and asked if you could help me when my legs started burning.
So, okay.
Andiamo, facciamo un zoo. Andiamo a trovare via che I like that. It's an ordinary rest. Ouais, toi aussi, non? Non, pas du tout. Oh, d'accord. On est d'accord. La vie, c'est tous les jours plein de miracles. Les miracles sont autour de toi sans arrêt.
Buona festa.
Apporte un po'.
Salute. Happy 40th.
Buona continuazione. When you bring out that little napkin, cloth napkin.
Say hi.
Happy 40th. It's the best. Cultural club. It's like this French music just keeps going on and on and on. It's like on a loop. Like a no one. Okay, your turn. Okay, sappiamo, e non solo di esperienza. Spera che avevo
Love you, Daniel.
le musiche c'hanno, tutto come pasto, le musiche c'è che non ce l'ha.
Ah, sorry.
No. Guarda che c'è.
Yes. Yo, Roger, that guy, those two brothers,
Oh, they're more than two, they're four
well,
brothers.
they're five. They're all here, five of them.
Are they here today?
Yes, all five, they're here.
Oh, I love those guys, I know them all.
Two of them. Sebo Amir.
Oh yeah, I know them all. I know them well. I know them very
It's,
well.
anyways, the two of them with the sheep, they are in 4 days ago, May 30, 31. US, they got the newspaper in their hand. Quest'anno passato in Yakina, they are May 31. Anyways, USA Today, New York Times, AT&T came by Tomales.
Sto pesante.
Putain, ton nez, ne me parle pas vers putain. Ah, comme ça, oui.
Écoute, je passe quand tu l'as. Mi guardi in scalta di vista?
Alfonso.
Non c'è tempo.
Je pense que le match est stable.
Tire pas la langue.
T'es très beau, hein, mon vieux. Là, tu me plais, mon vieux.
Là, tu m'inquiètes.
Bon. Je te dirai.
Une personne.
Bonjour monsieur.
Bonjour. Qui? Ton plus beau souvenir. Allez, tout le monde sur la photo.
Les anciens voisins.
Les anciens voisins.
Je les vois pas. Oh, thank you.
Hi, Marcus. What you? Well, now I'm gonna have to go this to my wife and say, who's those women? Well, Henry, there's your camera, but I'm the cameraman.
Dommage, le gâteau à ta santé.
Oui, d'accord. Salaud.
C'est bon, hein?
Good.
But they have a whole bunch of days. One day, renting jet skis for their kids.
You know,
Go to like a lake.
C'est déjà.
yeah, thank you.
Bonjour monsieur. Ouais, bonjour, tiens, comment vas-tu? C'est toi le chauffeur pour lui ce soir? C'est la voiture qui va conduire. Thank you. You know, you're really wonderful. You take good care of me today. I will remember my will.
Michael. I still got my ears on. Bernadette.
Monique.
Not for me. No, Cristallo.
That's for you.
No, for me. Oh my God!
Sí, mira, look. Mira cómo se gana. Jean-Paul. Beautiful.
Pictures.
Echeverri! Echeverri! We're not even past newlyweds! Woohoo! Cheers!
Lola, look at.
We know what we look like. We've had our pictures taken before.
Kapitolo.
Say hi, Mac.
Szkolona?
Ja, nii päris hea. Tulee nemast tietää lavaa.
Rueta. Wow! Sampo! Viva Sampo! What a beautiful face. Victoria! Ah, le voilà, c'était le plus belle.
What is it? Channel 2 the movie?
Oh, hi, how are you? No, c'est le... Je sais pas.
I'm just
Heet hij over hier?
Oh, we zijn Barbie.
Oh, he does. Big wow.
Come on, Claire.
Handje. Ja, hoe?
Très joli, très joli.
Une chose.
Hein?
Pas grand chose.
Un pique-nique bien, comme d'habitude?
Très bien.
Hein?
C'est un bon temps.
Caillette, il travaille dur?
Il a travaillé. Non, c'est pas
Sa femme aussi?
Tout à l'heure, il a travaillé.
Serio, Chaisa. Questa è radio iune. Bikini ko la biai. Pero eta jendia ko shon alegera,
Olivera.
Realize?
Magnetti.
Charmaki. Why?
Oski, i due ritar.
Sarà.
Non domani.
Ok, bye bye.
Ah dai, metto la superficie là. No, il va être...
Hello? Say hello to John Paul, honey.
But it was very good. Always matching.
Nice being here.
I don't know who he is. Is he from Hollywood? Somebody from Hollywood here?
Oh, that's right. Yeah. Oh, it wasn't better. Oh, I see.
Vai käsu, saadaan tämmöinen kontra, tätä filmaat sitä vai? Hello Jean-Paul.
How are you doing? Hello, Jean-Paul.
Radio France.
Francisco, tu lis ça. Best of San Francisco. No comments, pas de commentaires. Voilà, c'est tout. Et les bas sont super, on a super bien mangé. Les vins étaient très bons, heureusement que François nous a amené du Châteauneuf-du-Pape. Et puis en plus, la crème caramel d'Alphonse, c'est numéro 1. Il n'y a rien à battre. Maintenant, le foie gras et tout ça, je te garde. Hein? La prochaine fois, j'amènerai du château d'Iken.
Ok, cállate.
Qu'est-ce que tu dis, toi? Idarai.
Hey. Jean-Paul, cállate.
Remember, say something in Turkey. In Turkish. Milishke?
No, you are. Uitau. Anya, va?
Anyere pujita wa? Anyege hek.
That's a rookie over there?
There's that one.
Yeah.
Ever since you wore that skirt last night.
I like your fingers.
Get fame.
I go with him.
Don't go topless now.
Huh?
Don't go topless, okay?
No, I won't. Don't worry.
I wish that.
I definitely won't. I did. You might not even notice.
Yes.
Salute. Alla mia, eh?
Te lo quito pela. And we do have a Tom Colon in person over here. How are you, Tom?
Yeah.
You want to play accordion this afternoon?
Little bit.
Maybe, eh? Why not? Good. Very happy to see you.
Happy to see you, Jean-Claude.
All right.
Oh, that's it. Look at this. Look at this over there. Le Jean-Paul, parlez-vous pâté? C'est le second de génération.
Same kind of cummerbund as Johnny's wearing. So it's gonna look so cute. Hi, Jean-Paul! Say hi. Nothing already?
Nope.
Hey, say hello. Got the best colors. You gotta get the best colors in there, yeah.
Preghi di sei a sto pittore.
Wow, un po'.
Serio? Non c'è? Ja tengo show shuan, hori ore.
Oh, you should see me yesterday. She cracked my mom up. She's supposed to play.
I've seen you for a long time. Nice to be here.
Nice to see you.
Okay.
You're part of the Basque too, huh?
Yes.
You live in Los Banos?
Yes, sir.
What do you do over there?
I'm retired.
Good for you.
Yeah.
That's the only thing you do in your life?
I'm enjoying my life. Yeah, I like this picnic.
There we go. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
No es verdad.
Cuando agarran electricidad, agarran televisión y no hacen nada.
Sigue su ¿verdad?
Nico, no, ordukosta.
Dat is echt iets. Maar niet, hij is gewoon.
Pa, kapor.
Iya, ka pa sa sorry?
Look daw di. Look daw di.
Vet, got your fishing pole ready? Got your fishing pole ready? I like you.
Now another dance from Garasi. Cabri. Saskira group with the Cabri.
Mon ami. Oui. Mon grand ami. Et Dominique. Oh Dominique, je savais même pas comment il ça. Quoi tu le dis? Eh, considère.
Presque.
Hein?
Il a question.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Ça va?
Ça va bien, merci.
Good. Let's somebody fix it.
Yeah, they're gonna do it in this outfit.
We're gonna do it in this outfit?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fine.
Just because the guys have to go back to Cleveland and everything.
So you don't need to.
Where's the curtain?
Are we doing this thing going in?
How are we supposed to walk in? No, yeah.
Hands first. Yes, and on the way out, you're gonna be holding like this.
Hey, what do guys do?
I hold you actually. On the way out.
What? What do we do?
Wait, okay,
Which side's gonna go first? Which side's gonna go first on the way out?
They will.
Girls go first.
You go there.
Okay, we gotta go now.
Okay, ready? On the way out. Yeah.
On the way in.
Let's do this, guys. It's never.
Right.
Hand on the shoulder.
Right.
That's what.
So there you go.
Now on the way out.
But then who goes first on the way out?
Go.
basta un minuto con le regole, ascoltando la regla del volontariato. To celebrate this 40th anniversary of the Bass Club, and as you see, the number is even much bigger than when we started it. I know Johnny was asking God, then when we go, then send us some replacement. And you see, when you see this little group over here and such a big number, God is already looking at us. So let's give a big hand to all the groups over here. The clique, when we started the club about 40 years ago, was a very small number, and right away we went to about probably 20 and 25. Since then, we've been all over probably the Old West, California, Idaho, Nevada, Wyoming, and over here. And I don't know where they are, but I would like to introduce. And this beautiful festival has been organized the last 2 days over here, and we got our president who's been taking all the gears by himself, not by himself, with his own crew in there, and is a son of Jano Ashiri Tovarai, and I'm proud to introduce to you our president, Robert Ashiri Tovarai. Let's give him a big hand. Because it's very, very nice to see 40 years later, somebody's son taking it over. Robert Ashiri Tovarai.
Thank you very much. I just want to take a moment here, just like Pieros mentioned, we're very lucky to have such a great membership because so many people do so many things. Past directors before me, when you drive in and you buy a ticket, when you're standing in line getting food, when you're buying a drink at the bar, take a good look at those people because you've probably seen them before at board of directors meetings because they've all worked very hard and continue to work hard. And I've been very fortunate to work with a great bunch of people that makes my job real easy, and Piero gives me the credit. So it's a very much a team effort, and I'm very, very proud to be part of the San Francisco Bass Club.
Gure aita Marcel Tilluz eta galdenenakot unek ere erran dezauzien ongi etorri da.
Mila esker, Piero. Agur altzalde honden herri, nik ere handizki estimatzen dut olako eguna ligarekin pasatzea. Horrek balio handia du gure eskualdunen eta egartasunan ikustia. Horrek erakusten duela guk ere gure bihotzetan atxegitzen ditugun gure lehenguen arbasoen ohidurak. Eta gazten ikustia horrek plazer handia egiten du, hola segimendue badugu, deneri arratsaldeon.
Eta horiek ilan batian, dela hogeita hemezortzi urtea izan gira elkarrekin lananean, Los Bañosetako grupa ere. Inkurina dantza mezu eskugarta bat zeren meizu dute eta maite dute. Paso danza. Betxez besti banderaria herriko mera eta berzalerian katinerza. Gorriz xereroa eta blues gatia. Eta azkenik zamaltzaina.
Zorazuria family, you know. Francois, you better be good shape. Wednesday we have to win, eh? No problem. Yeah, okay. Hey, you know what?
Hariko musikari grupa bat heldu dienak, eta hariko dira horiek eskoletxean igande guerdiak ilan, igande hartzaldiak ilan, ustailaren 16an. Also want to announce then on July 16, there's a band from Irisari from the Basque Country coming down, and they will be performing at the Basque Cultural Center. Let's see a live one on the basket from there. Ahora, agarra si comienza a ver carrilla.
Ici arrive la machine à bonita.
Toh, vai hausia diekin, missä ei oikein saa pieni.
Alalla vielä askari sana, korosio. Vai sosa vai berdin, vai sosa.
Sovela.
Ora tu ne, vetene arseido.
No superria.
Vakas, aski.
Ai no.
John Sudanza. And the costume they are wearing, we all know that's the costume, or we would call it, was a black, that's the Basque tuxedo 100 years ago. That's the costume you wear on your wedding day. So the Again, and I bet you a lot of you didn't know that all these kids over here speak Basque, right? Okay, and that's what I said is so important, and everybody makes an effort to bring those kids to those practices. Ta mille esker Mattis hartzen duzun demoraz gazte horik ilan, eta segi olola.
Oh, you got witnesses now. Okay.
I'm looking at you. I'm sending.
계속 라운드 너?
Nik handi jokoa.
Hori ne? Nik katatik hori irazten eta hori kata handia kontra. Aixile. Son mai talde. Gezurra handi bat egaten duzteko.
Tipiko paso.
Asa. Mia.
Dira negatik.
Guzuzu?
Kata tipiko beti azten no.
Mintza parez.
Bale ba.
Ba. Hori da.
Paso. Dira.
Da, hori zek, guzuzu? Kamera, kamera,